Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a makeup challenge and I've had so many of you guys asking me to do this recently. I think it's called the I tried following only the voiceover of a makeup tutorial. That's what I'm going to be doing today, and I've basically got Alex to choose a makeup tutorial and he's put it into a voice thing, not a voice thing, a voice thing. He's put it into an audio file, so I am just going to listen to it and try and follow it without seeing what it is at all. Okay, I'm gonna put my headphones in. Oh, I have done my eyebrows already because I asked him to check and see if there was anything that wasn't done on camera, and he wasn't 100% sure, but he thinks that the only thing is the eyebrows, but he really wasn't certain, so this might not be right. Right, I'm gonna get the file up now that he sent me and I'm just gonna follow along with it, and I'm gonna put the actual video on the screen here so you guys can watch along. Okay, I'm ready.
Hey guys, so today I'm doing a tutorial by Holy Glowing Goddess.
Okay. So it's definitely NIKKITUTORIALS, like I'm pretty sure that's her. Oh my god, imagine if it's not, that would be so embarrassing. I don't really watch makeup YouTubers, but I'm pretty sure that's her voice.
So yeah, today it's time for something editorial, extreme, bold, colorful, and mermaid inspired by Gigi Hadid. So if you want to get creative, then please keep on watching. If you don't want to get creative, then...
Bold, extreme, oh my goodness. I told him to get something that was kind of going to challenge me a little bit, but this sounds like it's going to be something crazy. This is going to go so bad, isn't it?
Alright, the first thing I'll be using is by Guerlain, and this is the Allure Radiance Concentrate with Pure Gold Primer Makeup Base.
Pure gold. Do I look like someone who owns gold primer?
For foundation today, you want it to be super flawless. I mean, we're talking Gigi Hadid here. So I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Absolute Cover in 0.5 and mixing it with my Too Faced Born This Way in Pearl.
I definitely don't have either of those, so I'm just gonna go and get a foundation that I can use instead. Probably a slightly cheaper version. Okay, so she said flawless, so I've gone for one of my most full coverage foundations. This is the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. I hear nothing. Oh, this is probably the bit where she's putting it on her face. Okay, wait. Like, I hear nothing right now apart from... Oh, hello! I just remembered Nikki's video is going to be here, like, playing whilst I'm sat here looking like this. The comparison is going to be awful. I'm going to look so bad next to her.
For concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. I'm telling you, this has been one of the best concealers out there. We're also going to highlight with this. Notice how I go a little bit below my dark circles. This will help prevent creasing.
So if I put it a little bit underneath, that's a new thing. Maybe I should start watching makeup videos, then I'd actually learn something.
And I'm gonna bake my under eye area using my NARS Soft Velvet Loose Powder in Snow.
Okay, so baking the under eyes with some snow. I don't think I have that. No, I don't really have any. Do I have anything from NARS? I don't think I do, but I do have baking powders and I have a white one, so that sort of looks like snow, so I think I'm gonna go and get that. Okay, so I've picked up the Revolution Ghost Finish Powder because it looks like snow. That's the best I can do. I guarantee Nikki isn't doing that right now. Why am I holding it upside down? Oh, oh dear. Okay, well, I've got some in my pot and... Oh no, it dropped again. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of that on my sponge, and where is my mirror? Probably buried under 10 foot of snow. So yeah, I'm just baking with that as I have been told to. Should I leave it now?
And I'll be setting the rest of my face using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Powder.
So setting the rest of her face with a normal setting powder. I don't have a Giorgio Armani, whatever that was. So I am just gonna go and get a normal powder. Probably Rimmel Stay Matte, let's be real. I've just dabbed... I've got a bit on my brush and I'm just going to use that to powder the rest of my face and also dust away this stuff.
The first thing I'm going to do, as always, this is no surprise.
The first thing, I swear, have I just started it from the beginning by accident?
MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot.
MAC Paint Pot. Eyes. Okay, obviously eyes. Ah, see, I would normally do like the rest of my face, but today we're gonna do eyes. Okay, I do have a MAC paint pot. I've got the shade Painterly. I don't think that's the one that Nikki used, but I think it will do the same sort of thing. It's really old and really dried up. Oh, nice. So that's just like made my eyelid look kind of all one color.
The first two colors I'm gonna go in with are by Sugar Pill, and I'm gonna use these two as my transition shade. And I'm just gonna put this in the crease to help blend the crease.
I heard the word sugar, but no colour was mentioned. But I guess that's kind of easy because a transition shade is usually like light, nudie kind of colour. So I'm going to go for that. I'm going to go and get an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this one was on the top, so I grabbed it. It's the Sophie X Revolution palette. I am going to grab a bit of cookie... I am going to grab a bit of cookie dough and run that through my crease as my transition colour.
Also going to put it all the way to the inner corner of the
crease.
Up till the bridge of your nose. Go ahead and smoke that in and make it really editorial.
So I'm putting this through my crease and then bringing it through to the front of my nose. Oh, that was a bit too much. I'm now going to move on to the next step and hopefully a colour will be said.
Next we're going to use this purple, also by Sugar Pill. I'm first going to smoke this out on the outer corners here.
Okay, so purple, we have a colour. Okay, that's fine. I can still use Sophie's palette because there is like a purpley colour here called Mulled. What is that how you say it? Mulled? Mulled wine. So I'm going to take a bit of that and then I can't even remember what I was meant to do with it. I'm going to have to go backwards.
I'm going to smoke this out on the outer corners.
Smoke it here. In the outer corners.
Take your time.
Take your time. That's something I don't do.
And just start blowing that up in that crease.
Blowing it up?
Don't be afraid to go high up.
What?
We're going to drag that all the way to the inner crease.
Okay. There's too much happening now. Okay, so I'm just taking the purple and putting it through my crease and bringing it towards the front. I think that's what I was meant to do. I don't even know. Same again on the other side, getting the purple, putting it in this bit, and then bringing it out round this bit. Wow, imagine if someone was trying to follow my tutorials, jeez, without watching. Good luck. Okay, does that look right at all? Are we looking the same yet? Are we looking the same? I don't think we are.
For a pop of red, I'm going to take the Suva Beauty Cupcakes and Monsters palette. Touch this on the very, very inner part of that crease.
Okay, so Sophie's palette has a bit of red in it, so that's good. I'm going to take a bit of 21 and I'm going to put a really tiny bit, because I don't know, have I got the right place? Inner crease must be that. I'm going to try it. Wait, let me just see if Nikki says anything else, because I'm pretty sure I just cut her off. Soz love.
And smoking it all the way to the bridge of that nose.
Smoking it to the bridge of the nose. More nose stuff. Like, I didn't know you put eyeshadow on your nose. I'm confused. So a little bit of red up here. I'm going to look like I have a wound. Is that right? That can't be right. Okay, I'm just going to try and like blend stuff out a bit because surely I need to.
For the lid, I'm going to hop into the Masquerade eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm taking the color Zola. And this is going all over the lid and into the inner corners.
Zola? I just heard the colour Zola. Is that a colour? I've never heard that colour before. Am I allowed to Google it? I feel like I've got to, otherwise I'm clueless right now and I want to like try and make this potentially look like it. So I'm going to Google it. I think it was, wait, let me just go back. The Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. Place. In the colour Zola. I'm going to Google that and see what comes up. Okay, I think I found it. This might not be right, but I think it's a blue shimmer. Okay, I'm back. It turns out I do not have many blue eyeshadows. That was challenging. But then I found this and I haven't actually tried it before. It's the Urban Decay Beached eyeshadow palette. And luckily, we've got some blue shimmers. So I am going to take, oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to take the lighter one, which is in the shade Double Dip. I'm going to put a bit of that on my lid. I think that's what I was told to do. Wow! Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Look at that. And I haven't even wet my brush because I wasn't told to wet my brush. So that is with a dry brush.
Also on the inner corners.
Also on the inner corners. With blue? Okay. We are looking interesting. Oh, that red bit is really getting on my tits.
For the lower lash line, going back into that purple by Sugar Pill and deepening the inner and outer corners.
Okay, inner and outer corners. Okay, so I've put a bit of purple there and I'm guessing I'm also putting it here. Same again on the other side.
And applying this blue color right here, right in the center.
Blue color in the center. I've already put blue in here, so I'm guessing we're still talking about the bottom, blue in the center of the bottom. It's like a little code, you've got to like crack it. These are so fun. Okay, so I am taking a bit more double dip. I'm double dipping in double dip, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my lower bit here.
To really make this look come to life, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Studio Jewel Effects in Shine, and we're going to highlight with this. I'm going to pop this on the inner corners and center of the lid.
Okay. I think maybe a glitter, like a highlighty glitter on the inner corner and on the center of the lid. I'm pretty sure that's what Nikki said. So I'm going to try and find a glitter. I don't think I have any. Okay, so the best I could do is a Barry M Dazzle Dust. Oh, it's gone everywhere. Okay, so a little bit like that. Don't go in my eye. Oh no, we're going in already. Get out, please, get out. It's not really doing anything because it's not sticking. Okay, I think that is the best I'm gonna do. It's added like a tiny bit of shimmer in the center.
And to finish off, I'll be using the NIKKITUTORIALS Silly Lashes.
Silly lashes? I definitely don't have those. I've never heard of silly lashes, but I mean, mine are gonna look silly by the end of it, that's for sure, but I don't own the silly lashes. I've never heard of that brand. I'm just gonna go and grab whatever ones I can find. Let's just ignore the eyelashes. We all know I struggle with them. I feel like I can't see out of my eyes when I put lashes on. Like, they feel so heavy, but yeah, I've put some eyelashes on. We shall not speak of it again.
All right, time to cut these cheeks because Gigi Hadid's cheeks are like...
Cut them.
Heaven on earth. So I'm gonna go in with my medium sculpting powder by Kevin Aquan, and I'm gonna contour.
Okay, so contour is next. I'm gonna go and get my contour powder. So I have just gone for my Nip and Fab contour palette, and I'm just gonna take a bit of that. Hopefully the rest of the video will be quite simple and it will just be like basic makeup stuff. I'm such a mess right now, like honestly, it's such a mess.
Go back in with your face powder underneath, around it, and even at the base of that contour to soften. And almost Gigi Hadid. Not quite really, but almost there.
Okay, so I've softened my contour, I think. I don't even know. I don't know if I was meant to do that. Let's just move on to the next bit.
Gigi wasn't really wearing a whole lot of blush, but I feel like I need a little bit to just liven up the face a tiny bit. So I'm going to go in with Jouer Peony. And just the tiniest bit. Just barely there. Barely
okay.
There. This is already probably too much.
Me. Okay, so this one was just on the top and it is quite a natural blush. It's the number 7 Soft Damson blush. I haven't used this in ages, but it was sitting on the top, so it was speaking to me. It was like, hi, pick me. Nikki said she probably did a little bit too much, so that means I'm allowed to do a little bit too much.
So first I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Supernova, and this is like mermaid in a pot. It has like this beautiful pinky shine reflex in it. And today I'm actually going to change it up a little bit for that maximum glow. I'm going to apply my highlighter using my Beauty Blender Morphe Beauty Blender sponge. All right, ready? Here we go.
Wait, no, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So a highlighting powder with a pinky tinge to it and applying it with a beauty blender. So I'm guessing it's a loose powder, otherwise that wouldn't work. Okay, this is the best I can do. The NYX Holographic Halo Finishing Powder. Who remembers when I put this all over my face because I thought it was just an all over face powder? That was a fun video. But it's not really like a pinky tinge, it's more of like a bluey tinge. Wow, it's so pretty. The only thing is you don't really have much control over where it's going, so I feel like I'm spreading it too far down or whatever. Do you know what I mean? There's a lot of highlighter. Okay, hopefully that is what I was meant to do.
Oh my freaking glowing Jesus. What?
Wait, I was just waiting because I knew it had gone quiet. I knew Nikki was doing the highlighter and I was just waiting for the reaction.
Oh, but you thought we were going to stop there? We're going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and I'm going to take Pink Heart.
I have that.
And I'm going to take Pink Heart and
Pink Heart.
Tiny bit of Purple Horseshoe.
Okay.
And even more.
Okay. So, we're going to take a bit... Oh, no! stuck my nail right in there. So my highlighter is looking rather multicolored right now, and I've definitely brought it down way too far. Like, basically I've done a bit of a messy highlighter job, but I'm not used to applying it with a sponge. Like, that was new to me.
Highlighting the Cupid's bow using another Diamond Glow powder by Artist Couture. This one is called Mermaid Fantasy. How fitting. And Gigi had a like bluish greenish highlighter.
Okay, so I am going to just take the powder that I used before, because that actually does have a bluish greenish glow. That does have a bluish greenish glow, so I'm going to take a bit of that. Why did I do that so awkwardly?
All right, and now for lips, you want to keep it very, very nude. So I'm going to go in with Jouer lip cream in Buff, and this is a new color. This is a beautiful nude.
So I'm just going to go and get like a nude liquid lipstick, I guess. Okay, so I have gone for this Body Shop liquid lipstick in the shade Vienna Tulip because it's a nice nudie color. Okay, I think that will do. I now have a nude lip on.
And that, guys, concludes my Gigi Hadid mermaid-inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. It definitely feels like old Nikki is back. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you so much for watching. You slay out there with this mermaid look. And if you end up doing this, again, please tag me on Instagram or show me on Twitter.
I'm not going to do that. You don't want to see this, love.
Share with my followers.
Okay, so that is the video. Oh my goodness, have I been shouting? Because I've had headphones in, I've probably been shouting, haven't I? I should probably look now at what it's meant to look like and get my reaction. Okay, I have the video now. Let's click the link. I mean, I knew hers would look amazing. Oh my goodness. I can see some slight resemblances. It looks like a little kid has done mine. I tried my best. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and give it a thumbs up if you do want me to do more, because I definitely could with some other tutorials. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.